everyone, I'm Lucy from Chermside Library, and today I'm going to be showing you a demonstration of our 3D Robox printer. So first of all, I'm just going to explain how you create your designs for the 3D printer. So at the library we use a program called Tinkercad. It's a free program that you can use. You can just find it on the internet. So what you do is you create your designs on Tinkercad. So today what we're using is a design that we've created previously, which is a little keyring. It's called Book Lover. So what I've done is I've downloaded the design onto the computer, and then what we do once you download the design is you go into the program for the Robox printer and you upload it into the program. At the moment our 3D printer is currently running, so it's starting to do the printing. So with this little keyring that we're going to be making, it takes about 22 minutes to print. So it does take a little while to print things, so of course the bigger your design, the longer it takes to create. So with our 3D printer it uses a plastic filament, so it's eco-friendly, and what it does is it feeds through the machine, it heats up really, really hot, and then it comes out of these little nozzles here. So on here there's two little nozzles that the plastic comes through, and then it goes onto the plate down here, and that's where it prints. The 3D printer prints in basically layers. So with the design that we're doing today, it has 25 layers. So at the moment it's on layer number 2. On the program here it counts down how long it's going to take. So right now it's done 2 layers and there's about 17 minutes remaining. So as I said before, it does take a little while. Once the program has finished doing its printing, we can't get the design out straight away, and that's because in this machine at the moment it's extremely hot. So once it's finished printing, the machine will stop and you have to wait a couple of minutes before you can get the design out. That's just so the inside of it can cool down, and also so the design can cool down as well. I'll just show you an example of what we've created in the past. So this is a little keyring, similar to what we're doing today. So this one is Love Books. So the plastic is quite strong. So the key to when you're doing your 3D printing designs is to make sure that they're quite thick, just so they don't break very easily. And of course you can make things that are larger as well, but they do take longer to print. So just keep that in mind as well. Okay. Today we're printing with orange plastic, but we do have other colours here as well. So we've also got pink, we've got purple, we've got white, we've got black and blue. All you have to do is you have to change over the colours each time you do a print. So if you want a different colour, you'll have to change it out. With our 3D printer, it only does print in one colour. So today will only be orange. So it's pretty cool. So at the moment we're just going to wait for that one to print. At the back of the machine, because it does get quite hot inside, there is also fans. So it takes the heat out the back of the machine so it doesn't overheat. Alright, so our 3D print has now finished after 22 minutes. So I've had to wait about 5 minutes for it to cool down completely before I can open the lids. So now that it's cool, I can open up the lid here. And I can carefully take it off here, just making sure it doesn't break. And that's it there. So that's our Book Lover keyring. So as you can see, it's quite strong because it's plastic. So we've made this design quite thick so it doesn't break very easily. So in the library in the past we have had our 3D printing pop-up events. So when we're up and running again, just keep an eye out for those 3D pop-up events, and we hope to see you again very soon. Alright, take care everyone. Bye!